In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Edge extensions quickly and easily so you can turn off any add-ons you don't need without deleting them completely. This is a simple but really useful trick if Microsoft Edge is running slow, if an extension is causing problems, or if you just want a cleaner browsing experience. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, look for the three dots menu. Click those three dots to open the main browser menu. From here, find and hover over or click Extensions. This is where Edge keeps all of your installed add-ons in one place. After that, click Manage Extensions. This will take you to the Extensions Management page where you can see every extension currently installed in your browser. Now you'll notice a list of your extensions, and each one will have a switch or toggle next to it. To disable an extension, simply click the toggle to turn it off. Once it's switched off, the extension will be disabled immediately. You can repeat the same step for any other extensions you want to turn off. This is especially helpful if you're troubleshooting browser issues or trying to figure out which extension might be slowing things down. And the best part is, disabling an extension does not remove it from your browser, so you can always turn it back on later if you change your mind. If you ever want to re-enable it, just come back to this same Manage Extensions page and switch the toggle back on. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to disable Edge extensions in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.